Zhuhai, baby. Zhuhai, baby. Yeah, Zhuhai, baby. It's Zhuhai, baby. Checking out Zhuhai, baby. Let's see Zhuhai, baby. Always more to see, always more places to go. Let's see what's down the street. Let's wander and meander. Yeah, Zhuhai, baby. Is Zhuhai, baby. Checking out Zhuhai, baby. Let's see Zhuhai, baby. Walking all around and checking it all out. Checking out all Zhuhai street by street.
I don't know what I'm gonna call this one yet, but I'm in Tangjia. I'm in Tangjia Village. I'm in this little street. I want to capture streets off of the main street, which is right there, and there's all kinds of interesting stuff all the way around. And I see something called hostel, cocktails, coffees, stuff like that. So I'm gonna put this up on the map, and then we're gonna explore, and then I'll find a label for it later. So let's put this up on the map for you. Okay, we have a little bit of Zhuhai, China for you. Let's put this right up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you were there yourself. So okay, Tangjia Village. So it looks like this looks like something with opera. Let me see, Zhuhai 2025. Okay, so we have some opera times. We have information about it. It's like somebody's, like, maybe, I don't know. They might be like just little, like, students and things like that. They might just have like a small little tiny rooms. I'm not 100% sure. These are some of the performances. I saw a date that said 1837. So we're gonna walk up a little bit further. Then I see something called hostel. So maybe a place where travelers can explore. So this might be the hostel area. You just kind of see here. Huh. It's kind of interesting. It's a lot to explore. I really like this Tangjia area. I feel like it's Shanfan Rogue. So this actually goes deeper into things. I think I'm going to might even be, I think that's the hostel, I think. So I don't know what I'm gonna label this yet. Shanfang is the main road of Tangjia. This one, there's like that little hostel, so opera house stuff, ceramics. Okay. I'm kind of looking for street names off of this main road. Then I can attach it to something. Piano studio. Little places with balconies. Live music. Arizona, Germany. Huh. Welcome. These are written in English too. From China to the world. Musical instruments from China to the world. Huh. There's a QR code if somebody's interested in seeing that. Is this the... I guess it tells you to go in there. Okay. Uh-oh. Okay, let's check out some more of these little alleys. This looks like a little bit of a bar. Can't help but think this would be an amazing place to live. Like the rent would be really low. It's kind of cool stuff everywhere. These little alleys are kind of quiet and peaceful. Could meander around in here. I see a dog right there, so I'm not gonna walk down that way. Okay, so we're in Tangjia, checking out little alleys, trying to get to know the area better and better. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So now we're basically on Shanfang Road, kind of the main road. I'm looking for alleys with names so I can walk down them. Short of that, I guess I'll just kind of choose like random alleys to walk down. Tangjia Village. So the alley right here. This is kind of an inviting alley, I think because of the artwork. So a lot of times when I walk down this main Shanfang Road, I end up walking into here. Here's heritage architecture, it says. Style of tea. Okay, I'm gonna go back to that main road again. Lots of people walking around. Okay, so I think we're coming out to, let's see, I think this is the model of this main road right here. So we're gonna come to the center point, and I think we can walk down that little alley all the way down. Let's see. Kind of waiting for this traffic. Suddenly there's like a lot of cars and motorcycles and everything. Huh. See, I'm pretty sure that this street should be labeled. Like, how do you know? There's one of these that I walked all the way down once. But I think I'm gonna just gonna walk down this little alley. I just see this little rose here. Just wanted to see what that's all about. It's a resort. Huh. Tons of little alleys. Nice foliage too. I like how everything grows in South China. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do, we are going to continue down Shanfang Road. I guess I'll call this also alleys of without knowing the names of the streets, I can't really. I think at this point we're kind of getting into the main street again. The bathroom there, toilet to the right. This is kind of the main street. Huh. So this Shanfang goes all the way down that way. This is already at 9 minutes. I think I'm gonna oops. That would be one other way to go as well. I think that goes towards the university. It's called Macau right there. So I think I'm gonna come to an end right here. There's we're not too far from where the front gate is. We're kind of exploring different alleys. We're already at 9 minutes. So I think I'm gonna end it. And then I'm gonna go down that side street. And that'll be the next video. And I'll find the name of that appropriately as well. So okay, a little slice of Tangjia Village.